Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Brand Man. You might find some helpful information right here. It may save you some time, money, and some grief. We've got us a client over in Switzerland is coming to the States, and his booster's bad and he needs another booster, and I told him that I had one. So he's coming over here, I guess, for a visit, and we're going to ship it to him. And told him I'd check it out and make a video. So that's what we're going to do. This is a Midland Ross double diaphragm used on the A-bodies. The booster was also used on the Mustangs. It is one of the most finicky boosters and hard to deal with. But we have some vacuum, so we're going to check it. Normally, if we didn't have any vacuum, this would be extremely difficult to press. But just with the palm of my hand, we can check the action. We can tell that we've got full power assist. We can even take a finger and it rebounds. The action's real smooth. It ain't jerky. Doesn't self-apply. So now it works. These boosters should, without any vacuum, like that old motor backfiring and stuff and shutting off, you ought to have enough vacuum reserve to do one good safe braking, get off the highway, pull over off to the side of the road. So we're checking can integrity and check valve at the same time. Because if it leaked, it would have already leaked out. So let's see. There's one. There's two. Just made that funny noise. That means that the vacuum's just about done. There we go. We notice that our action slows down. So, there we go. We've got one good, wonderful A-body booster ready to go to his new home. Going to a car over there in Switzerland. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Mopar. Bye.